So what's in the box? What's in the box? First off, I want to thank WCR from the bottom of my tuchus for getting this out to me and rather quickly. They were very, very helpful in my inquiring about a few products that I wanted to try, and they got it together and sent it out. If you hadn't got a chance to order from these guys, just reach out to them. They have all the latest toys, man. By toys, I mean they have all the latest high-tech window cleaning and new stuff out in the market. That and another company has a little bit of everything. Surprisingly hard to find stuff that most distributors just don't carry, and that's Window Magic Supply. If you're in the California area and you're local to that side of the coast, you could get it just as fast. But if not, you can always get it from WCR. And the reason why I say that, just, in place of ABC, Detroit Sponge, Windows 101, those of all places that are great to get stuff from that I've used over the years. But when it just comes down to, fast shipping and the customer service and the help and deciding what to get, I think that's your best bet is these guys, because they have a array of different things to choose from, and they're very knowledgeable in our line of work. But not only that, they got free shipping, baby, under $50. I don't know no one doing that. I think that's hard to beat. That's really hard to beat. Free shipping, anything under $50. Most people are going to order just about $50 worth of stuff unless it's just one or two things. But there's always something else that we need, and you're just not going to put it off. So why not take advantage of that? You know what I mean? But let's see what's in here. And yes, I use this for everything, for opening up boxes and everything. That's why the blade looks so nasty. But I assure you, it's still sharp. You see? It sliced that up with no problem. You feel me? Let me put this phone down. Oh, the box is short. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look what we have. Yo, this pole is the shortest, longest cheap pole, the very first of its kind. And it's just cool looking. Look at that, man. It is just cool looking. You know what? I'm going to have to sleep with this tonight. I'm going to have to get to know you. Me and you going to sleep together tonight. I'm going to have to get to know you. Look, this is as long as my arm, darn near. That's short, man. This is really short. And look, there's the extension, and it came with the Unger tip. And look, here's another Wagtail adapter I could use. Oh, man, this is fantastic. And look what we have. We have the Mormon blue rubber, and we have a black diamond rubber. Please enjoy this free sample. That is nice of them to ship. Oh, it's starting to rain. That is, hey, Squirrely. That's a nice, see, that's what I call good customer service. Who else is giving you a free sample of black diamond rubber to try? One of the leading sharpest edges in the industry. Who else is doing that? Tell me, boy, these guys is doing it big. Look, Mormon. So we're going to put this Mormon rubber to the test, if some of you remember that blue rubber, but I couldn't talk about it then, but I'm going to talk about it now. Yeah, they can't tell me not to talk about it now because They didn't ask me. Oh, shoot. All right, I have to get that. So, yeah, I couldn't talk about this rubber 2 years ago because I don't even think they were satisfied with it. But they seem to be satisfied with it now, and maybe I will be too. A couple other people I know has said good things about this, and a lot of the guys is using this in their high fly, and they were curious as to how it was going to work. You see, I know it will work because I use these rubbers in my high fly. Now I'm sure the formula has changed, but we'll see if it can last past a day, without flipping. But so we have a 22 size of Mormon. This is the highest size they come in, is 22. And they got smart and offered bigger sizes, which is good. Because Mormon doesn't sell a lot of 22-inch Mormon channels, but they have the rubber here. So 18 is the preferred size. That's why they've stuck with that size, but they went a little bigger this time. This is nice, man. It's fantastic. Now, I will finish this review on these products because it's as far as what the pole looks like, how does it feel, how heavy is it? But I'm getting saturated out here, and I don't need to get swamp butt from my drawers being wet. So I'm gonna cut this conversation short, and we'll pick up, and I'll meet back up with y'all in the next video. There you have it, man. Get yourself a maker pole, man. It just looks cool, man. You'll be the only person in your area with a fancy pole like that. Now that's getting fancy smancy right there. You're cleaning windows in style. Not only that, you could put this in your back pocket, man. It's so short. Nah, not really, but y'all know what I'm saying. This is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you on the next one. Like I said, stay tuned for the review on that E-Squeegee by Wagtail. All right, peace, peace, peace.
What you saying now? You suck.